Netizens are buzzing over what could be another thriller in the boxing ring as the verbal sparring continues between acting Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte and PNP Chief Nicolas Torre. But Francis Folve asks, are we going to see Baste and Torre actually duke it out?
Like a scene straight out of the Rocky films, Philippine National Police Chief Nicolas Torre went jogging in the rain at the PNP Oval Friday morning. PNP spokesperson Jean Pajardo says the Chief PNP started running around 6:20 and completed 10 rounds. He was completely soaked because of the heavy rain. Pajardo added this is a part of Torre's training for the much-anticipated charity boxing match against Davao City Acting Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte. Yesterday, Torre trained at the PNP boxing gym, which is very much familiar to him. After all, he was a member of the PNPA Boxing Corps.
Mahina na nga ako eh. Pero marami nagka-interest sa larong ito. Kaya just to give them an entertainment, medyo para we can have a sort of credibility in showing up. Nag-refresh tayo ng konti sa ating mga dating ginagawa. So mapansin nyo, matanda na tayo at sabi nga ng trainer ko, mahina na nga ang hangin eh. Kaya wala nang diin ng mga suntok. Kaya I really hope na matuloy ito para makita naman nila na we're serious in this dahil sa ating fundraising ito. At ito ay para naman sa mga typhoon and flood victims.
A reel on Facebook was posted by Vice President Sara Duterte supporters, showing Baste working the pads with his coach. He also responded to Torre's speech in a post in his channel.
Huwag ka mag-alala, Torre, kasi matagal ko na talaga gusto makabugbog ng unggoy. Kung gusto mo lang talaga ng suntukan, bakit kailangan mo pa ng charity? Why do you need kailangan mo pang gamitin yung nangyayari ngayon na baha dyan sa Metro Manila? If you're really serious about this, kung gusto mo yung charity na yan and you've laid some conditions, then let me lay my own conditions for the event. Kung serious ka talaga ha, these are my conditions. Pakiusapan mo yung amo mo na presidente and let it come out of his mouth that all elected officials should undergo a hair follicle drug test. Papalagan ko yung charity mo na yan. Wala problema. If it will answer the issues nitong bansa natin, I can do that.
Torre has yet to give a statement on these conditions. He earlier suggested getting Boxing Hall of Famer Manny Pacquiao as the referee. But if the sport's only 8th Division World Champion is not available, it appears there are more willing volunteers.
Kung sakaling matuloy ang exhibition match na charity boxing fight ni General Torre at ni Baste, ay nagvo-volunteer ako na maging referee because I am worried that General Torre might inflict a catastrophic injury.
If you think about it, it's not new for a Duterte to challenge someone to a duel. In 2003, the then-sitting mayor of Davao City, FPRRD, challenged a veteran journalist, Waldy Carbonell, to a gunfight. This was because Carbonell was investigating the killing of a Davao City-based journalist. He accepted the challenge, but FPRRD never showed up. Fast forward a year later, Carbonell was the one who challenged Baste to a gun duel after being offended by Baste's threat to pulverize Ilocos Norte. He even set a time and place, November 10, 2024, 9 a.m. at Luneta. But again, no show for the younger Baste Duterte. With this new exchange of challenges, tagged as a boxing match for a cause between Torre and Baste, the public asks, will the fight push through? Francis Polbe, Bellionario News Channel.